Hello my fly babies, hello my patrons. Today is Sunday. I am your Flylady Kat and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Sunday is Renew Your Spirit Day, and this is such a needed day for us. Today we just have a 2-layer cake, and one of the layers is renewing your spirit. So the only thing that's left is your routines today. And our routines aren't the 5 full-blown routines. We have 3 routines today. So there's no laundry and there's no paper today. We have our morning routine where we get up, we get dressed, we wash our face, brush our teeth, put on our moisturizer, fix our hair, put a little makeup on, jewelry, put our clothes on. Well, I said get dressed. Wipe out the sink, swish the toilet, go in the kitchen, empty the dishwasher, make a little breakfast. Ta-da! You're done. Now, if you have anything else that you have to do, you're going to do that at this time. Little things that we have to do with your home. Next, we're going to get the kids and put them through their morning routine. So again, for children, it is, and make your bed. Make your bed, wash your face, brush your teeth, comb your hair, put on your clothes, put your pajamas away, wipe out the sink, hang up your towel, come in the kitchen, enjoy your breakfast. And then everyone's going to church. You've talked about it last night. You've got it prepared for today. The kids knew what they were going to be wearing this morning. Their shoes are by the front door. You're ready to go. So when you're ready to go, enjoy that. Enjoy the ride to church. Maybe play some really inspiring music on the way, and maybe promise something good for the kids for being good. You don't have to do that, but I always thought it was fun to do that with my kids, and they really looked forward to having a donut in the fellowship room after church or whatever. All right, we like to go out to breakfast, my husband and I, so we still have a little fun after church on Sunday. And that's it. And then I want you to make sure on Sunday now is when you get out your planner again and you kind of adjust your week based on what's happened since Wednesday when you planned it originally. So go in and adjust your week. Again, I'll mention that I use a Frixion erasable pen, so it makes it nice to erase things and write things in as the day changes. Maybe you're going to change some of your menu. Maybe you didn't cook something and found something else to have, or maybe you actually ended up having to go out, grab something out, and so now you've still got that spaghetti dinner that you need to have or would like to have, and move something that will hold, or maybe move spaghetti to next week because that kind of will hold. Maybe you have something that involves fresh vegetables that needs to happen before the end of this week. Check your groceries. Make sure that you don't have leftovers in there that you shouldn't be using up. So if you need to use those up, those make great lunches if you don't want to have them for dinners. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, and always remember that you are beautiful.